I'm excited to be at 411 New Hope Church Road in Turkey, North Carolina. Turkey, North Carolina is east of Raleigh, about an hour on Interstate 40, and I'm at a beautiful 485-acre working horse farm that NAI Carolantic Realty has just listed. This property includes an elegant two-story home with a 3-car garage, 5 bedrooms, and 4.5 baths. The property also has a pool with a hot tub, an enclosed pool area, and a full-service pool house. In addition to the swimming pool, the property also has tennis courts and a basketball court.
One of the most unique features of this property is the indoor riding arena. The arena is 120 feet by 200 feet. Attached to the arena are 3 private offices with a 1-bedroom apartment.
There's an 18-stall horse concrete block barn that includes a bathhouse, a vet room, a feed room, tack room, and a wash pit. Also, there's a metal shop building which includes 2 overhead doors as well as an attached hay storage area with 2 14-by-18 overhead doors. Also on the site, there are 2 modular homes, 3 bedrooms, and 2 baths that are 1,200 square feet apiece. As you can see, this is a very unique property. We look forward to showing it to you.